Get in the fridge. Get in the fridge.
Shut the fuck up.
Get in the fridge.
What did you do?
The fridge. Get in the fridge. Fucking get in. No. Get in. There you go. Fuck's sake. Move your fat head.
I have so many glares in my room.
This is why you need curtains.
I dropped the ring.
I know. We damaged it. It's done. It's gone.
It's gone.
I mean, it's right here, like on the other side of this, but it's gone. It's like, it's cheap. It's like $40. Okay, yeah, you go peek.